35.6. Lamang ng dalawa. Bola ng Thailand. Go Philippines for the gold. Defense. 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 Sablay. Yun. Yes. For the gold yan. For the gold. Uy, tinulak. Putang na playground foul. Playground foul yan. Na.
Was just a duty foul, but there was
Grabe naman.
excessive contact, which did, look like
Woo.
did bother Jacobin Bin.
Ang yan, no. Baka yun ang playground foul yan. Putang na. Sure ball na yan. Gold na yan.
Reacted the way that she did, but a quick
You know.
apology, of course, by Suman. It was really just a duty foul. It's just,
Yun na.
she was caught off guard.
But what a block.
Sabihin, foul lang yan. Bukang daya na talaga yan.
To guard anything that comes around the rim.
You know,
16.9. Lamang ng dalawa. Free throw. Ball position. Yes! Shoot! Shoot mo parehas yan. Sure win yan. One, sorry! Yes! One, sorry. One, sorry. Isa pa. Isa pa. Isa pa ang Chicken Joy. Yay! Oh, kailangan. Bola natin.
The ball will stay in the hands of the Philippines.
Time out.
For that, it's time out.
Delicates. 2.6. Bola ng Thailand. Defense. 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 Walang papaul ha.
3-point lead for the Philippines. The team captain, Sipabadi Conchuan, trying to get the crowd up and going. They will need their
Defense.
man in the final 2.6 seconds.
Defense.
Here has to be the best defense Gilas Filipinas has played
Defense.
all throughout this tournament on this possession.
Yun!
April.
Yes! For the gold na!